Experiencing crashes while playing EAFC 25 can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and reduce the likelihood of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for EAFC 25. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications and compare them with your system's hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lowering the graphics settings in the game can help reduce crashes. Access the game settings menu and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to see if performance improves. Step 5. Disable background applications. Running too many applications in the background can lead to crashes. Close unnecessary programs and processes before launching the game to free up system resources. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize crashing issues while playing EAFC 25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.